Hey everyone, welcome to this unboxing video of the WT5000 Precision Power Analyzer. Let's dive right into it and let's see what a typical new 5000 comes with. So let's open the unit, right? The first thing you're going to have is this little box tray which has a few accessories like manuals and stuff in it, right? So you get two things when you buy the 5000 itself, a power cord and the rubber feet, and then of course you also have a hard copy of the manual, of course, which you can download from the website at any time you like, right? So all that is sort of included in this tray. Then we'll see the WT5000. So there you go, guys. You have the WT5000 device and you have the power cord. So now that we've unboxed the WT5000, let me tell you about some of the input modules that you have to buy with the WT5000. And when you do unbox those input modules, what does that look like, right? So here is the first type of input module that you have, which is a 30 amp input module, right? You can see distinct red and black connectors. They are much bigger connectors than the standard banana plugs. You're going to get these connectors, special IEC standard connections with the module. So when you do unbox the modules, make sure you're looking for these and you don't throw these away, because these will be vital for you to build your cables for connection to the module itself, right? The second type of input module is the 5 amp input module. You can see it's clear, distinct yellow colors. They're banana, but female banana connectors. And then the last module you have is the 760903 module, which is called the current sensor input module. So if you look at this module, it has a DB9 connector that connects on one side to the CT1000 and on the other side it connects to the module. So the module itself supplies the power to the CT and also makes measurement from the CT, right? So those are the three different types of module that you will purchase actually with your WT5000. And if you've purchased calibration as well with the WT5000 and the input modules, then what you will see is all you will get is the unit, and these modules will already be installed inside the main unit. So now that we've unboxed our WT5000, we've also unboxed some three of the different input types that come with this module. I wanted to really quickly show you how to install the module. If you look at the back of this unit, you'll have 7 different slots, right? I have already taken one module and I have installed it. When you power it up for the first time, you can go to the setup screen and you can see that this module is automatically recognized by the main unit. So that's what you get when you buy the WT5000. If you have any questions, please visit us at tmi.yokogawa.com or email us for support at yca-support@yokogawa.com. Thank you.
We are the precision makers.